Welcome back to our class on playing with numbers. Today we will have a look at common factors and common multiples. Common factors means to find the factors of two numbers and then list the common ones between them. Okay, let's take an example of 20 and 28 and write down the factors first and then mark the common ones only. So for 20, we will write the smallest table is 1 20s, then 2 10s, then 3 doesn't have 20 in it, so let's go for 4. 4 5s are 20, 5 4s are. Once you get the opposites, you have to stop counting and then take the previous step. 10 2s are, and the last one will be 20 1s are. So these are the factors for 20. 1 2 4 5 10 and 20. 28. First one is always 1 28s, the table of 1. Next table is 2. Will 28 come in table of 2? Yes, it will come. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. So 2 14s are gives us 28. Table of 3 doesn't have 28 in it. It has 27 and then 30. Then table of 4, yes, 4 7s are 28. Then table of 5 doesn't have 28. Table of 6 doesn't have 28. Then 7 4s are 28. Once you get the opposites, stop counting and just put the opposite ones. 14 2s are and 28 1s are 28. So these are the factors for 28. Now let's mark the common ones. The common ones, we'll start from take one table and just compare with the other factors. 1, yes, 1 is there. 2, yes. 4, yes, 4 is also common. 5 is not there. 10 is not there. 20 it's not there. Either way, 7 is not there, 14 is not there, 28 is not there. So which are the common ones? The common factors, we have to write down the common factors of 28 and 20 are 1, 2 and 4. That's it. Now let's look at common multiples. Okay, here in our question is, you have to find the first 3 common multiples between 2 and 8. Multiples are those numbers which come in a table. So we will list down the multiples of 2 up till 10s and the multiples of 8 10s, and then mark the common ones only. Okay, so let's list down the 2 first and 8. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6 are 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20. Okay. Then table of 8. 8 1s are 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80. Now let's mark the common first 3 common multiples. Only first 3 is asked. You have to read the question properly. How many are asked? First 3 common multiples only. 2, take one and compare with the second one. Otherwise you'll get confused. 2 is there? Here no. 4 no. 6 no. 8 yes. Yes, 8 is a common multiple between 2 and 8. Then 10 no. 12 no. 14 no. 16 yes, we have 16 here. 2 8s are 16 and 8 2s are 16. 18 is there? No. 20 no. Not there. So till 20 we don't have. but we have found only first two. Now what we are going to do, we have to list down further. Okay, 2 11s is 22, 2 12s is 24. We have got 2 12s are 24. So 24 is matching here with 8's multiple. So we got 1, 2 and 3 multiples. So therefore we will have to write, therefore the first 3 common multiples of 2 and 8 are 8, 16, which we have marked, and 24. You can be asked to find two common multiples, the first two common multiples, or any two common multiples, any four common multiples between the numbers which are given. Okay, in the same way for factors. So factors, we are just listing down the common factors. Here multiples, we are just comparing the multiples which are put in a straight line. Okay, so this is about common factors and common multiples. Thank you. God bless you. Take care. Stay safe.